Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Windows 10 start menu to classic. Follow these easy steps to easily convert your Windows 10 start menu to classic view. First of all, we have to download a very small software. So go to your browser and search for Classic Shell. And all you have to need just open this first link, Classic Shell, Start Menu and other Windows enhancements, and just click on download now. And scroll down. Here you will find Classic Shell Windows installer for different language. So I'm going to download Classic Shell Windows installer English version. Click on download now, and as you can see, it's downloading. Once successfully downloaded Classic Shell setup, just click on it to launch it and click on run. Click on next, check this box, next, and click on install. Once successfully installed, click on finish. And it's time to enable Classic Start Menu. So right click on Start Menu and click on Settings. And here you will find the Classic Start Menu setup window. Here select Classic Style and just click on OK. And now click on Start Menu, and here we can see I've successfully converted my Windows 10 Start Menu to Classic Menu. And let's select this Classic with 2 columns. Okay, and here we can see the result. And if you want, you can replace the Start button. You can select Arrow, or you can select Classic, and you can select Custom. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.